Hello! Yun lang.
Effective December 31.
Sa kasalukuyang nagaganap na 84th birthday celebration ni Sir Felipe Gozon kasama ang mga kapuso artist at mga sikat na personalidad sa industriya, ay marami nga ang nagulat nang opisyal na i-anunsyo nito ang kanyang pagreretiro sa kanyang posisyon sa pagiging President at CEO ng GMA Network. Ayon kay Sir Felipe Gozon ay papalit sa kanya si Sir Jimmy Duavet, at epektibo ang kanyang retirement sa darating na December 31, 2023, at January 1 naman ang effectivity date ng papalit dito. Nakaagaw din ng pansin ang naging pagkikita at akapan nila Marian Rivera at Heart Evangelista sa party.
As Chairman Advisor and Chairman of the Programming Committee, the Board also approved my recommendation to elect Mr. Gilberto Arduad Jr. as the new Chief Executive Officer to replace me effective January 1, 2024. His new title will be President CEO, and he will continue to act as Vice Chairman of the Program Committee. At the recommendation of Mr. Jimmy Duavet,
Ito naman ang ilan pa sa naganap sa kanyang birthday celebration na ibinahagi ni Mr. Tim Yap.
That was good, Ariana. Happy birthday, Uncle G.
Wala